Edson's chain and wire kits. Most sailboats and even some trawler power boats use chain and wire steering systems. Each chain and wire kit comes complete with pre-stretched wire, roller chain, and wire rope tensioning hardware. Stock wire rope options include 3/16 inch diameter in lengths of 7, 9, 13, and 22 feet, or 1/4 inch diameter with length options of 9, 13, or 26 feet. Number 50 roller chain is standard in each kit and is available in lengths of 1.5 feet, 2 feet, or 2.5 feet. If you need a different chain or wire length, custom kits are available. The wire rope tensioning hardware includes wire rope clamps, take-up eyes, and wire rope thimbles. These components are what secure the wire rope to the radio drive wheel or quadrant and allow you to properly tension your steering system. The wire rope clamp and thimble in the tensioning hardware kit will match the wire rope diameter included in the chain and wire kit. To help find the right steering components, Edson maintains steering data sheets that list the parts and descriptions of over 4,000 sailboats, many of which are available online. You can find our Edson chain and wire kits by visiting our website or going through your local Edson dealer. If you have any questions about which chain and wire kit is right for your boat, you can post them in the comments down below, or get in touch with our customer service team by phone or email. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to see more Edson content.